Stand there with them. Get their attention on it.
Let them jump that little rabbit.
That's them running that same track. $23 dog pack, boys. Look, hey, Kenny, look at the old man covered in blood, son. Yeah, look at him. Son, he's covered. 23 dogs down, son. Sounds like a coal train heading out of here. Good dogs. Dead. Well, they already hit another nut.
Man, I could have got that.
Hold that up, Blue. Let us look at it. What do you think about that? Honey up here. That one's up.
I was just told that before you said that. That was channel 3, that's channel 3.
They put about 20 miles on today. Killed 7 rabbits. They deserve their rest now.